Hey everyone, hope you're keeping safe out there. Today we're just going to run through some of the benefits of exercise and how exercise can help during this time of uncertainty. So obviously at the moment our physical interactions are a bit limited, but it's still really important that we're staying as active as we can. Doing some form of exercise is not only going to benefit our physical health, but it's also going to help boost our mental health as well. So at the moment, a lot of us are working from home, or if you're studying at home, you're not getting the incidental exercise that you normally would by commuting. And also at the moment, gyms aren't really an option either. Here are a few ways we can benefit from exercise. Number one, exercise releases chemicals in your brain like serotonin and endorphins, which are great to boost the mood. It can also lead to a better sleep and having more energy in the long term. Physical movements can actually help with stress and anxiety as well, and it can help just loosen up those muscles when we do have a bit of tension. It can also provide us with a bit of sense of achievement and motivation, which is really good to have some goals to work towards as well. Regular exercise is great to reduce your risk of developing cardiovascular disease. It can also help with weight management as well. Regular physical activity is also great for the immune system, especially as we're heading into the colder months where there's viruses and other colds around as well. If you're new to exercise or feeling a bit lost because your normal way of staying fit isn't possible right now, here's some ideas of what you can do to get yourself moving. Take your workout online. There's some great online resources, or you can take up a virtual class. A lot of gyms are opening that option up too. Getting creative, and you can make your own workout, build your own gym at home if you've got some bits of equipment. And going outdoors is really important as well, so you can get a bit of fresh air. So whether it be walking, cycling or running, they're great activities as long as you're staying within that bubble as well. Remember, if you're new to exercise, start small and gradually build up. If you're not feeling well, have a rest. It's really important that we prioritize the health and safety of not only ourselves, but our family and our friends as well. Keep safe, everyone.